Are you ready to make your money work for you, but unsure where to start in real estate? Wondering how people turn properties into wealth and long-term success? Well, today I'm going to share with you a simple, step-by-step guide on how to invest in real estate, even if you're a complete beginner. You'll learn how to get started, what to look for, and some key tips to avoid costly mistakes. If you're interested in learning more about building wealth through real estate or other personal finance tips, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications, so you don't miss out on future videos. Also, comment below if you have any questions about real estate, and I'll be happy to answer. Alright, let's dive into the first steps for beginner real estate investors. Step 1, educate yourself. Real estate can be complex, so it's important to take time to learn the basics. Start by reading books, watching videos like this, or taking online courses. You need to understand terms like ROI, return on investment, cash flow, and property appreciation. One great book to get you started is Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, which highlights the mindset shift needed for smart investing. Step 2, set your budget and financial goals. Before you even think about buying property, know your numbers. What's your budget? How much can you afford to invest? Also, consider your financial goals. Are you looking for quick returns through flipping properties, or are you more interested in long-term gains with rental properties? Step 3, choose your investment strategy. There are many ways to invest in real estate. For beginners, the two most common strategies are buy and hold, purchase a property and rent it out for steady, long-term income. Flipping, buy a property that needs some work, renovate it, and sell it for a profit. Each strategy has its pros and cons, but for most beginners, buy and hold tends to be a safer and less risky option. Step 4, find the right location. Real estate is all about location. Look for areas where property values are appreciating, there's a demand for rentals, or upcoming developments will drive future growth. A good rule of thumb, invest in areas where people are moving to, not moving from. Step 5, secure financing. Unless you have cash on hand, you'll need to secure financing. Look into mortgage options, down payments, and loan interest rates. Make sure you can afford the monthly payments, even if the property isn't generating income right away. Tip, if you're unsure about taking a big mortgage, consider starting with something smaller, like a duplex or triplex. You can live in one unit and rent out the others to cover your costs, a strategy known as house hacking. Let's say you decide to go with the buy and hold strategy. You find a property in a growing neighborhood for $150,000. After getting a mortgage and paying $30,000 as a down payment, you rent the property out for $1,500 a month. After covering your mortgage, taxes, and maintenance, you still pocket $300 in positive cash flow each month. Over time, as the property's value appreciates, not only are you earning rental income, but you're also building equity. As Warren Buffett once said, do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. In real estate, the idea is similar. Invest smartly, grow your assets, and make your money work for you. Remember, real estate investing is a journey, not a race. Start small, learn as you go, and stay patient. Successful investors know that growth takes time, but the rewards can be life-changing. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment below with your real estate goals or questions, and I'll try to answer them in the next video. Also, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on more real estate tips and personal finance content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.